So we've gone about a half an hour so far. It's just after 4. Still traversing through the jungle. Because 40 minutes hasn't ended yet. Hi, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this trek up and down Mount Batur. There's some good drone video at the end. I hope you stay tuned and watch all the way through. Kabar? Bike?
Ya, payung here. Baik. Butuh payung. You can speak bahasa?
No. Tidak. Tidak. I see your hat is Brazil. You're not
Yes,
Brazilian. My wife is Brazilian.
Huh?
My wife is Brazilian.
Your wife?
Yes.
And you, sir?
American.
Ah, okay.
My mother was Brazilian.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nyoman?
Yoman? Albert.
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 Okay, nice to meet you.
My wife from Australia.
Australia.
You love hiking?
No,
No?
I never hike.
Never.
I either work or I work. I don't have time.
Okay.
Oh. Kerta is telling us it's time to go.
Honestly,
All the time.
most of it was uneventful, dark, and pretty difficult. You'll see more of what it was like on the return as it was light out.
I'll text her at 11:10 in the morning.
Yeah.
Because that's her birthday, November 10th.
Your birthday?
Her birthday, yeah.
Oh.
Enough of walking in the dark, right?
So what you see is Mount Agung, and we're on the top of Mount Batur. And this is an active volcano. And I just started to look behind me. There's the crater. I just took a picture of the sign that says it's prohibited to enter the crater. Well, that kind of makes sense, but I'm sure there's been people who have tried it. And I'm here with the professor, my humble travel companion. And it's definitely breezy. You can probably hear the wind. And you see this bush in front of us. I've got the drone almost ready to go. So try to see if I can get it so it'll focus and look at one place. Now we're just like Lost Leblanc. This is worth one BengBeng. And proof that I'm eating a BengBeng. It's bitten. And if you saw my face, you could see the chocolate in my teeth. Definitely hard, but I'm glad we did it. So Kerta didn't explain that there's rest stops, and neither did the guy that gave us the rundown yesterday. But thankfully we've run into one. Starting to catch my breath, but I don't know what the altitude here is. But it's definitely stuff that we're not used to. So this is what it looks like in daylight.
Definitely stopping here.
Yeah. Yeah, mine.
Break.
hingga Hafamentum. Yeah. From these daylight views, I think you get the point of what it was like. Many places were loose gravel and rock, especially toward the top. Enjoy the drone views for the rest of the video. This is us and our guide Kerta. I think he could have run all the way up the hill, and I know he could have run all the way down.